And we are back with Kitten once again. Today we are today we are in Tank Arcade Battles, and also we are joined by...
Spike! What's up, y'all?
I thought we gave you a different name.
I'm gonna beat you.
Didn't we give you a different name? I swear we did. Did we not?
It was spicy noodles.
Yeah, well, he was spicing noodles. He's spicing things up today. Anyway, that was a terrible pun. We're here with we are here playing Tank Arcade today with the Tiger H1, pretty famous in World War II, unbeatable. You cannot penetrate it from the front whatsoever. We got an 88mm cannon with that. We're with the Whirlwind, the Whirlbell Wind, and we have 20mm cannons with that. It's a flat gun, so it's an SBAA, meaning you use this to shoot things out of the sky, and Spicy Noodles left. He'll probably be back sooner or later. I don't know when. I don't know how. And we are here with the 8.8 centimeters flak 37 SFL. Period.
How many gun, like what kind of type of gun does this have?
An 88mm flak 37 cannon.
Why do you know so much about tanks?
Because it legit says right up here. What? How about you get your happy on over here and stand and look at the screen? Yeah, get over here. Yeah, you can see it right there too. Right up there. Gun, yes. Spicy Noodles. That's a hilarious name though. Alright, anyway, we are off once again, going to battle. This is gonna be great, guys. And we are off. Spicy Noodles, get over here. Sit in your chair. Here, I'll even scoot over for you. Let me scoot back here. Yeah, you sit in that chair here. Yeah, look at him. Look how weird he looks. Yeah, hold that for me.
I will destroy all people.
What? Guys, he's planning to take over the world. What are you doing?
It's gonna be my victory. All your grace.
Guys, look, he's taking the L. Alright guys, let's try this again because apparently my internet's really bad down here. And I don't know why. Okay, maybe this time we'll go into battle. I don't know. Are you okay? Okay, let's not do that. Oh boy. Just in case you guys do not know, this video is not for kids under the age 21.
Comment down below, which way do I look better in this hat? This way? This way. Comment down below.
Neither. Okay, end of that.
Or this way.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you go get that hat.
You paid like 20 bucks for this hat.
Yes, I did. Guys, this is like a $50 hat here. We don't talk about that. We do not talk about the hat.
We might get robbed.
That cost. Hey, guys, look at this. Yeah, look at him. Now you have a better view of him and a big bear in the background and a bunch of other nonsense back there. Now it's just me and him over there. Man, that is great. Could you stop?
What?
What are you doing? Stop, dude. Alright, you gotta move your chair. I gotta scoot up some. I gotta like learn the game here. No, you're not. You're right there. Yeah, look at him. He's right there.
Victory dance.
Take the L. Take the L.
Stop talking about yourself.
Helmet. Guys, it's raining outside. I just realized that.
Also, comment down below if you can hear that.
Guys, if the gunner is knocked out, the tank cannot fire for a while. It takes some time to replace him with another crew member. The tank fire reduces when the loader is wounded or unconscious, guys. Oh, I think we're actually in now. I can finally use my tiger. Yeah, guys, I'm starting out with the oh, no. No. Yeah. Okay, this is cool, too. Let's go. Where we go? See? Look, it spawned me in the middle of this battle and hasn't no one. Where are you pointing to? What do you think this is? What? Why are you pointing over there? What? Why? You have no reason whatsoever to do that. Oh my gosh. This guy thinks he thinks this is a game. This is not a game. This is real life. We don't talk about that.
For all of us humans who think this is game, but the people inside it cost us their dreams.
Yes, this is causing people. Oh, guys, somebody else has an H tiger. Let's see what he's at. He has a Panther A. Oh goodness,
like
there's a Panther A, guys. Back
Stop
up.
moving and maybe you can do a good hit on it.
Hold still. Oh no. Stop criticizing everything I do. No! Why are you hiding? No! Oh, okay, guys. Guys, that's just a medium tank. I have a heavy tank. I can't one-shot him. You cannot penetrate his armor. That's how much armor. No, I didn't.
Why were you getting hits on?
Oh my god, that guy just got one-shotted. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I know where from, too. Hey, what is up, my friend?
You die.
Oh my gosh, I missed him. Where are you going? You hiding too?
$5 to
Take
die.
me head on, dude. Just do it. What do you mean $5 you guys?
We're not talking about
Alright, T-30. So you get him. You drive him out. You drive him out. Ha! Mwahaha! I Panther A and Panther D. Oh, it's Panther A and D, guys. A's on top. Learn your ABCs. Guys, no one does the ABCs in this game. Oh, what? I am so confused.
Someone owes me $5.
Look at that! No! You cannot penetrate a tiger from head on! Oh, I don't believe this, guys. I call BS on this.
20 he loses.
What do you mean, 20 he loses?
$20.
Guys, I'm gonna shoot this plane down. Hey, you see me? 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 You see me?
And you miss.
Aww. I didn't miss. That sucks. Oh god, this guys, there's a TA. What am I? What? Teamwork! There's another Panther D. Wait.
I bring the spikes.
Why are you pointing over that way? Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh, there was somebody over there. I don't see him. Oh my god! Whoa! Did you guys see that guy?
No.
He's just like, what's up, you guys? I'm having the best day of my life over here. I'm just killing everybody with one shot because I'm way in the background and nobody cares back here. True that, I don't really care much back there. But anyway.
AA gun?
What's an AA gun? Oh guys, I got a plane! Oh man, I'm gonna get bombed. Well guys, I guess I'm dead. Somebody!
$5 to get bombed.
Oh my god, there's a Panther D, guys. Oh no, oh what, I'm going up against an HE? An HE? That's a sick, that's a, what? Why am I playing with, okay, I'm really confused now. Why am I playing with 5.7 planes? What? You will not kill me without me getting, oh what, there's a plane behind me now? Where the hell you come from? Guy HE, I'm gonna cost you. Oh, what? Apparently, I'm on like fire or something. Go back to my combat flaps. Turn around. Fly this way. There's an MAT. Oh, yeah. I got shot. I'm out of ammunition!
You got bombed.
Yes, I got bombed, guys. I'm stuck with this H.
Someone owes me $5.
Nobody owes you $5. Hey, you guys remember me? I hope you guys remember me. I'm gonna kill you all. No, please don't kill. Oh god, that guy just got killed. Some nigga.
Eventually he loses the game.
Guys, there's a hermit. No, 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 please don't kill me. No, no, guys, I'm just an innocent guy who's just barely wanting to kill you, I promise. Please don't hurt me. Why has everybody crashed? Wait, he hasn't crashed yet. Oh, dang. Oh, hey, where's up on the screen? Guys, we have 2 screens here. They're both pretty guns. Who are you shooting at? You think this is a game? This guy thinks this is a game. Guys, we failed this mission. Go back to your home and don't come back.
Here.
You think this is a game?
No.
He thinks this is a game.
It's
This
gonna be
is
a game
not
when you die.
a game, guys.
5 years from now, just you wait. You'll be in a game.
Copyright.
What?
What? What? I didn't say anything. I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't have a clue. Alright, anyway, we are back once again. What's going on, guys? Cargo pit. Guys, I almost died.
It's like so shook up now.
Ooh, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
That was
Aw,
boring.
man, that sucked.
That was boring.
And it didn't go everywhere. That sucks, you guys.
Like, we took such a risk for it to even hit our PlayStation right there. But no.
Oh.
No, you failed us.
You have failed us, guys. You guys out there, you failed us. Boom! Mentos! What's up, you guys? How is it going? Oh, yes, I'm back with the tiger. Throw that over there. Get down on my knees. No, I'm not really down on my knees. Who are you? Who are you? What's your name? Non-Fawn. Look, there's a bald guy here. Guys, this guy right here is bald. Don't fuck with the bald guy.
Don't mess with him.
Do
Don't
not
mess with him.
mess with the bald guy.
Don't fuck with
Whatever you do not mess with him. See, that guy's saying, oh, I'm so sorry for messing with you, bald guy. You don't mess with the bald guy. Whatever you do, don't mess with them. Look, how do you say this guy's name? Akuria? I don't know.
Any questions about this game? If you comment them down below,
I've
we
already
will
said
answer
that. Oh, dude. Uh-oh, man. I actually thought I had some. What? I'm so confused. How do people do this?
They
How are
get out
people-
their guns, they get it at a good angle, and they shoot you.
How are people one-shot in the tiger? You don't just go and one-shot something like that, you know? Like, the tiger is supposed to be OP as heck. Apparently, I just need to go to the Americans and just stick with the Americans instead of trying playing with the Germans. Because apparently the Americans are a lot better than the Germans. Don't know why. Look, that guy's gonna try to bring out a tiger here. You know what, last game I killed no one. This game I'm probably gonna kill no one. What are you doing? Hey! Get over here. Spice things up.
Austin Noodle! Y'all really want something spiced up? $50 for the person who guesses what you take to get blown up.
Oh crap!
Pause the video now!
What? I can't pause the video. No, we is not pausing no video.
Talk to viewers.
Okay,
Pause it.
okie dokie,
Try
guys.
and guess what you take. You ripped off.
Well, apparently I'm getting shot to pieces by an IX.
And a spicy noodle video coming soon. Just know it. Coming soon.
This is very nice, guys. I'm pretty sure I shot him before he turned around. Get over here and spice things up!
No, I'm not on spice.
Spicy noodles is never out of spice. It's like when you get to the very bottom of the cup of noodles and it's just all spicy, you
We're
know?
not at the bottom yet.
Ah! You is on fire now. Mwahaha! I shot him down. An N1K. I'm going up against an N1K, guys. It's an N1K too. Oh goodness, there's a plane behind me too. Doesn't matter as long as I can shoot this guy down. This is all that matters. Oh dang! I got shot down by a Tempest. Get over here and spice crap up. I'm sorry I'm not over there, and I'm sorry because I'm not going over there either, guys. Yes, guys, spicy noodle videos is coming soon. If you are wondering how soon, I do not have a clue. I should just commit suicide on this game. Anyway. What? Were you ready to get rid of me? Does it not matter to you? Do I not matter to you? Look at that lovely fire, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a crap shot out of me. That guy committed suicide. Come on, 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 come on. That's a B-29. You're not insane. Stop trying. Stop giving people good ideas about you. In the meantime, kids. Guys, this video is not meant for kids. This is the final warning I'm gonna give y'all. Alright guys, after this one, I'm gonna play one more round. And then that's gonna be it for today. I know these videos are shit because of it. Wait, there's an AR? 230 foot? That is a jet engine in case you guys do not know. That jet engine probably bombed the heck out of me, but hey. Why can I not kill this guy? Goodness. That guy just killed himself. No, please don't kill me. I'm just a kid. I'm just a peasant. I was only meant to be working for everyone else. I'm so sorry. Get over here and spice things up. Where have you been, man? Spicy noodles. Spiky noodle spike. Guys, this is spiky noodle. Spicy noodle spike. That is his new name.
Oh yeah. I'm on the end of the street. I'm going insane.
Guys, don't worry about him. He's a little
He's
off
gonna
in the
die
head.
5 years from his brain.
Do you really think you're a gangster?
No.
Do you really think you're a gangster? Guys, if y'all want me to do a light cruiser,
comment down below. Hat 1, hat 2, hat 3.
That's not even a hat yet. You don't even have a hat on. You don't. Told
Which
you,
one do you think's the best?
He's a little
comment
off
down
in
below.
the head. Don't worry, you guys. Just a little off. A little bit.
Just a little bit. You like
What is that?
the birds? They're calling me.
Birds ain't calling you. Get over here. Sit down.
This video is the spiciest.
Oh, guys, look, there's the Challenger. Look at it go.
I just now realized he did insane like
Wait, what?
spice things up.
Guys, that guy's zigging out. Get over here. Look, that guy's a Mustang, man. I didn't know Mustangs could be people. Did you guys know that? I did. Why are you playing fool, huh? Guys, it's tofu! No, it's just tofu.
Playing the bandit.
It's U-521, guys. For once, we might actually win a game, because the last 2 games I played, I've lost. Wait, why are they a 3.3 tank? A subscription?
A description.
A description.
Yeah.
Guys!
The thing at the bottom where you eat stuff at the bottom of the
Oh, guys, I actually finished it. Yeah, this video is not recommended. Well, is not intended for young viewers.
Oh, I think this. Oh, this is cartoon.
What? They still killed me. I'm so confused. How do they one-shot a tiger? Guys, this really messes with me. You guys have no clue how bad this messes with me. Guys, this guy's in front of such spicy noodles. Go over here and spice things up. For the last time, spicy noodles. Guys, it's Fuba. Oh no, it's Flummer. I thought I actually knew that. But I don't. Ooh, guys, look, I'm a P. I don't know. Let me see. I am a P38J15. Ooh, very nice. Stay off, Faye. You're bombing it. What are you gonna do? Speak? Bombing speak? Who am I supposed to kill? This Jolly Waffle guy? Oh man, I didn't know I could do that. That's awesome. Going around the Christmas tree. Oh no! Ah, dang. Guess I crashed. There's an astronaut, guys. Got a Panther D here. Panther D's. Well, I couldn't get the Panther because he ran off and hid, but I could get the M6. Something, something, something. Well, if it would shoot. Come out, where are you? Well, hey, spicy noodles. You got any hot sauce for that? How you get so spicy? What are you doing with this spicy? You can't cheat. Cheating is illegal. Don't you understand? Hurting fire. Huh. A KV got me. Wonder where he got me from. From across the bed? No, not literally from across the bed. I mean like, but hey, spicy noodles.
Oh.
Yeah, get over here, spicy noodles. Ooh, I can finally use a plane. I wonder what plane I did. Ooh. Spicy noodles! Come here! Right now! Oh my gosh, why do I always get this sucky pains? Like somebody had a B-29. Do you know how hard it is to get a B-29? That's like, that is like a 6.0 plane. Guys, I'm making a bomb run at A. Just in case you guys know. Man, they ran clear of A pretty darn quick, didn't they? You see them all just scatter out? That was like crazy, man. Look, I got 3 guns shooting all at one place. Man, that's awesome. In case you guys didn't know, I'm crazy. Spicy noodles! Spicy noodles apparently doesn't like me. But yet you guys will see us in more videos. No. No, he's trying to shoot me with missiles. Oh dang. Get out of here. We just wrecked 2 aircrafts right there, guys. That was crazy. Bada 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 bada. Ratter, ratter, bladder, blah 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 blah. What are you doing? He's trying to make something on his head, guys. Did not know you can make stuff on his head. Did you guys see that? That's like the hat challenge. Guys, that is a new challenge, you guys. It's called the hat challenge.
Not too. No, it's not new. Not new. I've saw many people do it. I've just never had hats.
Guys,
Let's see if I can make it.
apparently this hat challenge has already been taken from someone. Maybe we won't get copyrighted. That's what he said. I don't know if it's true or not, but sometimes I think he's a little out of his mind. I got the best squad, guys. Oh, guys, I actually got him first place.
Did it again!
Guys, rate. Do you actually think? Well, don't rate. Well, yes, you can rate. Just press the like button and subscribe. And leave a comment on how I can make this video better. And if you guys want me to do a plane, a Pacific plane from World War II, a boat from World War II, or a Pacific tank from World War II, just let me know.
Which one should I do first, Dauntless or Fortnite? Comment down below.
And which one do you think Spicy Noodles over here should do first? Fortnite or Dauntless?
You can look them up.
Of course, we'll all end up doing Dauntless at one point in time. I might join in with him to play with Fortnite.
Not much.
Don't know. He's on like level 50. I'm on like level 10.
25.
You don't tell people that type of stuff.
They're gonna see it anyway.
Okie dokie, guys. We will see you guys next time on Work.